Alright guys, so this is the 52-inch builder ceiling fan that I put in the kitchen of my house. This fan did replace the Hampton Bay quick connect that used to be in here. The quick connect just looked really yellowed out and the blades were sagging and it looked really worn out in here, so I've been needing to replace that for a year or two now, and I finally came across this. I pulled this out of my neighbor's trash. He replaced it with a Hunter Ridgefield. I got it. It came 100% complete except for the mounting bracket, which I had a spare one. And the reason why he probably replaced this was because when I plugged it in to test it, it didn't turn on. So I opened up the switch housing and I saw that the capacitor was all blown up, so I threw that in the trash. And I actually had a spare one of the exact same kind that I got from a Regency fan a few years back, and I put that in here. And it works perfectly fine now. So, yeah, put it in here. It's kind of a cheap fan. The motor's pretty small, and the blade arms are really flimsy. I'm barely even touching them, they bend, so. It's alright though. This is not permanent here, even though it matches the light fixtures and everything. I'm still looking to replace this with something nicer, but this is just for now. It's dated July of 2006. It says that right up there. And without further ado, I'll turn it on for you. There's the light. Those bulbs did come with it. It was perfectly good when I got it, except for the capacitor. Turn that off. And here's low speed. It's in reverse because it's pretty cold outside and we're getting snow, so I decided to do that. And you might notice that the canopy is not up there the way it's supposed to be. It has a little screw on the right side just to hold it up there. I mean, it doesn't need to be secured because it has the ball and socket, so it's fine. Had to balance the blades because they were pretty bent when I got it too. Because it was sitting on its blades when I got it. It's medium. Does wobble a little bit, but it's okay. You might be able to notice that. And here's high. Pretty quiet, has a small hum, but it's not nearly as loud as the quick connect was. And I'm feeling air down the wall right here, so it's pretty good. And that's just the globes, they're pretty loose, so gotta fix that at some point. There's that. Give you a little top shot of it. Says all these date codes on the top and whatnot. Does have some paint on it. So they might have been remodeling the room, but I think it was because of the capacitor. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.